Hi everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. And the third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so this is the reading for the zodiac sign Leos for the month of October, and let's see what's going on with you guys. Okay, the reading which I did like last time, I'll be doing like the same this time also. Okay, so yes, I hope that I'm audible to you guys. Okay, so yes. Okay, so what are you going through currently in the month of October, Leos? What are you going through currently in the month of what are you going through currently in the month of October? Okay, this one is the card. Okay, so what are you going through currently in the month of October? What are you going through currently in the month of October? Your energies are scattered. Your energies are scattered in the month of October, Leos. Okay, monthly reading. Okay, so you might be dealing with the third party situation in the month of October, Leos. Okay, you might be releasing the third party situation, or you might be moving away from a third party situation. Okay, or you might not be thinking to deal anymore with the third party situation. Now third party situation can be in-laws, neighbors, partners in the business, or anyone. It can be anyone. So someone is trying to get out of a third party situation in the month of October. Okay, someone will not be any more interested in the third party situation. Okay, so this will be the energy. If you follow your present plan, what is the likely to be the outcome of the situation? If you followed this releasing of the third party situation plan, what will be the likely outcome? Okay, then uh, then I feel that um, if someone is trying to give you an offer to move forward, you won't be taking it. Why? Because there's some unclear things when it comes to a third party situation. Okay, and I think you won't be if someone is trying to reach out towards you, okay, you are not going to give a fuck about this thing. Okay, so yes, which is very good. What do you need to know about your career, health, and relationship? What do you need to know about your career, health, and relationship? Some of you are concerned about your career, health, and relationship, especially career related thing. Some of you are really working hard towards your financial goals, financial gains. Some of you might be thinking to build up your financial career when it comes to this pentacles, this money related stuff. Okay, and yes, some of you might be dealing with a karmic cycle. Okay, karmic cycle is about to get over. For few of you it is already over, and if that is not over, some of you might be dealing with a divorce issues also in the month of October, or else you might be filing for a divorce in the month of October, or else there's a karmic justice which is going to be happening with you. That means that if you are dealing with a karmic partner into this lifetime, when it comes to your relationship, that those karmic relationships are going to come to an end. Okay, so yes, many of you will be thinking about your pentacles, about your money related stuff. Okay, so yes, what do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? What do you need to do to change or to improve the situation? You just need to be relaxed, okay? You just need to be into your own power. You will be having sleepless nights, stress when it come in October, okay? But you have to release it. If you are releasing it, then your situation will improve, because you will be thinking very practically, very logically, very in a normal way you will be thinking about. So just release all the stress, worries, anxiety issues, depression issues if you are having in the month of October, okay? Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. One second. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Okay, they are not trusting their intuition level when it comes to your relationship, okay? They are not trusting. Internally they love you, okay, Leos, but they are not trusting their intuition when it comes to you, okay? Like, they are not trusting their intuition level when it comes to your relationship, okay? So that's the problem. Where is this relationship might be going in the month of October? Where this relationship might be going in the month of October? Where this relationship might be going in the month of October? Guys, kindly, if you wish to donate, the details of the PayPal and Google Pay is given in the description box below. And if you want to have a same day reading, I'm charging USD 200, and within a few hours only you will get your you can get your reading done, okay? So this is for international clients out of India, okay? So yes, where this relationship is going, where this relationship is going. Okay, so you think, Leos, that this relationship is a very strong relationship for you, okay? You feel that, you know, this relationship is very spiritually connected, okay? And this is going through a higher level of spirituality, like you have never seen before, okay? So which is a very good thing. Like, both of you are understanding your, you know, logical and individual part of your own. You both are going through your spiritual healing individually, and you both are understanding that this is a spiritual connection which you cannot move out of it, okay? So yes, what you should focus on from now. Okay, you have to be focusing. First of all, you have to release the third party situation if some of you are dealing with it, okay? Few of you are dealing, 20% of the people are dealing with it. Rest 80% of the people, you need to you have to take a big decisions, okay? You have to release the waiting game, and you have to take a major decisions about your life. What are you supposed to do? If you, whether you want to move, whether you want to stay or you want to move forward in life, okay? Whether you want to leave this person behind, or you want to some of you might be into separation also, so you want to reconcile, or you want to stay together, or you want to move on from this person. So October will be the month of decision making mostly, okay? Some of you might be filing for a divorce as well, okay? And some of you might be completing the karmic cycle, past life karmas, endings of past life karmas, and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, okay? So what are your hopes and fears, Leos? What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Okay, so your hope and fear is you are going through some major spiritual awakening, okay? You are being patient enough, that is your fear, okay? And your hope is that you are going through some major spiritual awakening right now, okay? A lot of major changes are happening within yourself, divinely within yourself, okay? Which is a very good thing, okay? Sorry for the background sound, I cannot help it out. Okay, so you are going through some major spiritual awakening. If you are blocking your healing, please do not do it, okay? Go to a level of detachment, only then the healing will start and the spiritual awakening will happen, okay? So yeah, some of you are actually receiving and analyzing a lot of changes around you or within yourself in the month of October. What is the likely outcome? What is the likely outcome in the month of October? What is the likely outcome in the month of October? What is the likely outcome in the month of October? What is the likely outcome in the month of October? What is the likely outcome in the month of October? Okay, so outcome will be that you will still be stuck in the month of October when it comes to this relationship or this career or this business. Okay, you won't be leaving past behind right now. October is not the not for moving on. Okay, in October you won't, might be in the upcoming months, but you are just energetically planning that you want to stay or you want to move. Like it will be a month of major decision making. Okay, so you will be stagnant, you won't be moving on, but at the same time energetically you are planning what you are supposed to do in life. Okay, so that's a beautiful thing, guys. Okay, so what are the universal messages? 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 Okay, so Hierophant, there is a major, this is a major spiritual connection. Okay, you feel, and you feel that this is not going to leave you at any point of time, right? So it won't, definitely it won't, but you need to understand few things, that even if it's a spiritual connection, it depends that you are dealing with that person karmically or not. Okay, so that depends. Your spiritual awakening is happening in the month of August, but if you are blocking it, it won't happen. So please do not block it. It's my advice. Okay, laziness, you will be very lazy in the month of October. There's a new beginning on the horizon. Okay, when it comes to a relationship or a career, anything it can be, it's a situationship. Okay, so it can be either career or relationship, but there's a new beginning on the horizon. Okay, you are going to understand and you are going to balance your internal emotions with the outside world. Okay, you won't be disappointed anymore. You will be releasing all your disappointments in the month of October, and you are just going to think about exploring the world, or some of you might be thinking to relocate to a new location, or some of you might be changing their house as well in the month of October, so which is a very good thing, guys. Okay, so yes, let's check it out, a few this work cards. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so fourth chakra. Okay, so you are aligned 8 9 10 11. Okay, so you are aligning to your higher self. Okay, your intuition level is increasing on a higher level. Okay, so do not worry about it, which is a very good thing, guys. Okay, your chakras are increasing. Okay, so your chakras are increasing. These cards are very sticky. See, these cards are very, the world ending, karmic cycles are ending. Jiski the people whose karmic cycle didn't end it before, the karmic cycles are ending. Okay, so do not worry about it. So what are the universal messages? What are the universal messages? See, when I shuffle now, so I want a big area to shuffle it, but sometimes I cannot. Okay, universal message, I honor how I want to feel. Okay, so whatever you are feeling, accept your feelings. Okay, do not ignore your feelings. Okay, two messages more, I have to take it out. Okay, okay, so three messages more. When I think I have surrender, I surrender more. So the universe is saying that surrender your to your universe more. Okay, if you are not surrendering. The second message is joy is the ultimate creator. So you feel happy within yourself. Okay, and if you don't, so just think that you have to think about yourself only and not someone else. Okay, the fourth message from the universe is my energy creates my reality. What I focus on is what I will manifest. So what whatever you are thinking, it will manifest, but you have to take your time out for the same. If you are not doing so, that whatever you are thinking, it won't happen. Okay, so yes, I don't know, but I just need to shuffle it more. I just felt like doing it. So okay, so your archangel for the month of October is Archangel Chamuel. Unconditional love is my mine today and always. Every cell in my being vibrates at the rate of love. I feel good, I'm happy, I'm grateful. The energy of my own loving vibration nurtures my thoughts and feelings. Okay, so your gemstone for the month of October is pink tourmaline. Okay, do you treat yourself well? What kind of self talk is going on into your mind? Okay, so your message for today is pay attention to how well you treat yourself. Be aware of your inner chatter. Make changes towards love. Treat yourself the way you want to be treated. It is time to awaken your subconscious and conscious mind and focus on love for yourself. So self and love and self care should be your utmost priority, which you don't do, and that's why you are blocking your energies, guys. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you that until unless you don't start unblocking your energies, this karmic cycle won't come to an end. Okay, so I'm telling you that it's just an advice, guys, Leos. Okay, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also one more thing, comment down below. And also one more thing, guys, I am just want to tell you that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, or if you wish to donate, the details are of the donation is given in the description box below. Okay, so internationally also we are doing readings, one-on-one readings. Okay, so yes, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye, Leos.